Alright, let's crack open one of chemistry's most mysterious words, the mole. Nope, not the small furry animal. Think of it as chemistry's version of a dozen. When I say dozen, you instantly know I mean 12 of something, right? In chemistry, a mole is just a fancy name for a super large number, specifically 6.022 times 10 to the power 23. This number is so important, it even has its own name, Avogadro's number. That's a 6 with 23 zeros after it. But why such a massive number? Here's the deal. Atoms and molecules are crazy tiny. If I wanted to hand you a single atom, you wouldn't even see it. It's way too small. So scientists needed a way to talk about normal amounts of stuff, like you'd use in a lab. That's where the mole comes in. In fact, 1 mole of any substance is equal to its mass number, also called molar mass, expressed in grams. So, for example, 1 mole of carbon atoms weighs exactly 12 grams. For example, 1 mole of water molecules is about 18 grams, barely more than a tablespoon. But in that spoonful, you've got over 600 sextillion molecules. Wild, right? Basically, the mole lets us count atoms and molecules just like you'd count eggs or candies. It makes chemical math way easier, so you can balance equations, measure substances, and actually do experiments that make sense in real life. So next time you see mole in your textbook, remember, it's just a big friendly helper for counting the tiniest things in the universe. And Avogadro's number is the key to making it all work. Chemistry made simple, 1 mole at a time.